Meaning of individualize.
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 Individualize. The term individualize refers to the act of customizing or tailoring something to a specific individual or group. This could involve adapting a product or service to better meet the unique needs and preferences of a particular customer or target audience, or providing personalized attention and support to help someone achieve their goals. The result of individualization is typically greater satisfaction and engagement among those who receive the customized treatment, as well as improved outcomes in areas such as health, education, and personal development.